I'm Mark Chilero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1974 Ford Bronco 4x4 Custom. This is the first Ford Bronco we've ever had at MS Classic Cars. We're sure proud of it. This vehicle was the product of a complete restoration that was finished around 2016. It's in a World of Wheels award winner. It's got an extremely straight body, beautiful bronze paint with some black accents. Black accents would include the hood, the grille, the fender flares, the headlights, the wheels. It's got a slight lift to it. Fully beautiful, brand new interior, a little bit of houndstooth, Billet Specialties steering wheel. It's got air conditioning, push button start, highly detailed engine compartment that houses a built 302 that sounds super aggressive. The undercarriage is also highly detailed. For a complete description with tons of photos, you got to check out our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it and let you listen how beautiful it runs. Absolutely beautiful.